Well, we're back again, everyone. TruckCBSales.com here with a tuning report for Matt in Missouri on a Stryker 447hpc2. Matt got it ready to go for you about our tune alignment, Toshiba regulator upgrade to keep everything nice and cool, electrolytic cap upgrades. You also ordered a SR-198 mic in the stock configuration, as well as a heavy-duty stud mount and some Wilson coax. So we're going to get all that out to you. First of all, 50 watt slug with amp or power all the way down. There's your 2 watts in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. If you're just going to run barefooted, there's 15 watts all the way up, that'll work great. So 50 bird average, 100 watt slug and peak, hello, at 97 watts PEP. Alright, Matt, that's going to do it. I appreciate you once again from your friend Truck at TruckCBSales.com. Bump, bump.